Welcome to Mind Bloom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
When most people think about losing weight or burning fat, snacks are usually the first thing they cut out. The word snack often gets a bad reputation. It brings to mind chips, candy, and cookies. But here's the truth, not all snacks are bad. In fact, if chosen carefully, some snacks can actually support fat loss, boost your metabolism, and keep you energized throughout the day. Today, we'll break down 10 healthy snacks that not only satisfy your cravings but also help your body burn fat naturally. These snacks are backed by nutrition science, easy to prepare, and perfect for anyone who wants to eat smarter while still enjoying food. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which keeps you full and helps build lean muscle. Pair it with antioxidant-rich berries like blueberries or raspberries, and you've got a fat-burning powerhouse. The protein supports metabolism, while the fiber in berries slows digestion and reduces sugar spikes. Pro tip: choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add a drizzle of honey or cinnamon for flavor without the extra sugar. 2. Almonds and walnuts. Nuts often scare people because they're high in calories, but the healthy fats in almonds and walnuts actually promote fat loss. These nuts contain omega-3 fatty acids and protein, both of which help reduce hunger and keep you feeling full longer. A small handful, around 10 to 12 almonds, can stabilize blood sugar and curb cravings. Just remember, portion control is key. 3. Apple slices with peanut butter. This classic snack is a perfect blend of fiber, protein, and healthy fat. Apples are rich in fiber and water, which increase satiety. Peanut butter adds protein and fat that slow down digestion. The combination prevents sudden sugar crashes, and studies show pairing fruit with healthy fat can actually help regulate blood sugar better than eating fruit alone. Choose natural peanut butter without added sugar or oils for maximum benefit. 4. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein and healthy fats. Eating eggs boosts satiety hormones, making you feel fuller for longer, while also supporting muscle repair and metabolism. Having 2 hard-boiled eggs as a snack can keep cravings away and provide a steady source of energy. Eggs are also rich in choline, which plays a role in fat metabolism. 5. Hummus with veggie sticks. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is rich in fiber and protein. Pairing it with crunchy vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and celery not only makes the snack low in calories but also nutrient-dense. This combination is filling, keeps your digestive system healthy, and provides a slow release of energy, perfect for people trying to burn fat without overeating. 6. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is underrated when it comes to fat loss. It's high in casein protein, which digests slowly and helps you feel satisfied for hours. Adding pineapple or another fruit gives a touch of natural sweetness along with vitamins and digestive enzymes that support gut health. This snack is particularly great at night because casein protein prevents late-night hunger and supports overnight fat metabolism. 7. Dark chocolate with almonds. Yes, chocolate can be part of a fat-burning snack, if you choose wisely. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce sugar cravings. Pairing it with almonds balances the natural bitterness of dark chocolate while providing healthy fats and protein. This combination helps regulate appetite and gives you a sense of indulgence without the guilt. Just stick to 1 or 2 small squares of chocolate. 8. Tuna salad on whole grain crackers. Tuna is lean, high in protein, and loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which support fat burning and reduce inflammation. Mixing tuna with a little Greek yogurt or avocado instead of mayonnaise makes it healthier and still creamy. Spread it on whole grain crackers for added fiber, and you've got a nutrient-packed snack that stabilizes blood sugar and boosts metabolism. 9. Green smoothie. A smoothie made with spinach, kale, cucumber, and a scoop of protein powder is an incredible fat-burning snack. Leafy greens are ultra-low in calories yet rich in nutrients, while protein powder keeps you full and supports muscle recovery. Adding flax seeds or chia seeds provides omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making it even more effective at curbing hunger and boosting fat metabolism. 10. Air-popped popcorn surprise. Popcorn can be a fat-burning snack when prepared correctly. Skip the butter and heavy salt, and go for air-popped popcorn. It's a whole grain, rich in fiber, and low in calories. A big bowl can satisfy your craving for something crunchy without sabotaging your calorie intake. To spice it up, sprinkle cinnamon, paprika, or nutritional yeast for extra flavor and nutrients.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.